Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. I wanted to have an, Bluetooth stereo system in the boat, not those mobile carry thingies, a little more real. Then I started to look around. They are finished product to buy, they are insanely expensive, they are big, they are bulky, takes a ton of power. Some people take a normal car stereo and smack it in, but they take a lot unnecessary power. So I started to look for parts to build my own, and yeah, there are a ton of YouTube videos on how to do that, but then I found this little thing. This little board. Some nice covering places. This one is rated for 2 times 100 watts, and you can hook this up to anything between 5 to 27 volts, so it's real perfect. Yeah, it's complete. Everything is on it. Just hook power up, speaker up, and then it should be good to go. Whoa. The previous owner had some stereos and stuff like that in the boat, so I yanked out the big subwoofers and stuff like that. So there is 2 that looks like new marine grade speakers, so I'm gonna hook this up to those and let's see how it goes. I just took power from the Swish, so now we're gonna hook the speakers up first. I see I'm gonna have to switch these cables out because they are insanely small. But yeah, now it's just to, let's see, this one is the right one. Does this one fit? Yes, it did. Let's see, positive. And that one. This cable did come with the box. Ooh, they are so thin. Let's see, black on black, hopefully. This screwdriver was included. That's good. And these screws are really small, so they even sent with some extra. And a little knob. And I guess like that. So let's turn it on. Connect power, then turn it on. Ta-da! Bluetooth on. Connected.
Låt den här låten gå ut till alla stockholmare som har dunjacka fast inte kallt. Nå nu. Vi glider in som Donkey Kong, river istället varje gång. Till och med sheriffen blir galen när vi hoppar upp på borden i baren. Jag har huvtröja med tripaler på, gröna skosnören och färgat hår. Jag har druckit keps med flagg.
Works great. That little thing.
Brukar bryta arm på krok.
That little thing will play the crap out of two of those speakers, and those speakers are rated for 175 watts each. So, real good. Now I'm gonna go home and get some dual face tape or something to hide that underneath and just clear up the cables. It's not even worth playing with building your own Bluetooth amplifier. Just buy one of those. I will leave a link in the comment below. And there are a couple of different sizes. This one is 2 times 100 watts and it works perfect. So yeah, now it's in place. There it is. A lot nicer than some kind of car stereo, marine stereo, or whatever there is to buy, and a 10th of the price, and it's a really good audio on it, so it's just up to the speakers. So I will leave a link down below to where I bought it. And yeah, there are a couple of different models, but mine is 2 times 100 watts and it's plenty enough for, you know, a normal stereo, especially in a boat. So if you already haven't, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, subscribe to the channel, and there are some support links down below. There are an Amazon wishlist, PayPal account, and a Patreon account if you want access to even more content and earlier access. Everything is uploaded there first, and much more extra content. So like and subscribe. See you next time.